A Range Rover Vogue glides through the vibrant chaos of a bustling city street, embodying refined elegance. Its sleek lines, imposing front grille, and distinctive LED headlights capture the essence of modern luxury. The on-screen text proclaims, "Range Rover Vogue, refined elegance, a testament to its unparalleled sophistication." The Range Rover Vogue's interior is a symphony of opulence, where premium leather whispers of indulgence and fine wood veneers exude timeless elegance. Amidst this sanctuary of sophistication, a high-resolution touchscreen stands as a portal to seamless connectivity and intuitive control. Bathed in soft, diffused light, every surface radiates an aura of understated luxury, inviting you to immerse yourself in a world of unparalleled comfort. As the camera glides effortlessly through the cabin, the narrator whispers, "Luxury redefined." The Range Rover Vogue conquers the mountainous terrain with unmatched agility, showcasing its supreme off-road prowess. Streams become mere ripples as the vehicle forges ahead, its passage a testament to unbridled versatility. Across the screen, versatility unleashed flashes, encapsulating the spirit of adventure and capability.